Today, I'll walk you through how to use lead assignment rules with queues in Salesforce, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up lead assignment rules to streamline your lead management process, so you can enhance your team's efficiency and responsiveness. Let's get started. First, navigate to Salesforce Setup. In the search bar, type Queues under the User's menu. This is where you'll manage your lead queues. Think of it as organizing your leads into manageable groups. Once you're in the Queues section, click on the New button. This will allow you to create a new queue for your leads. Next, enter a label and a queue name. These will help you identify the queue later on. It's like naming a folder on your computer for easy access. If you want to notify members when a new lead is assigned to this queue, you can optionally add a queue email. This ensures that your team stays informed about new leads coming in. Now under Supported Objects, select Lead and click Add to move it to the selected objects list. This step is crucial as it defines what type of records this queue will manage. After that, click Save to finalize your new queue. Now let's set up the lead assignment rules. In Salesforce Setup, search for Lead Assignment Rules under Feature Settings and then Marketing. This is where the magic happens. You can define how leads are distributed among your team. You can either select an existing assignment rule that is marked as active or click New to create a fresh one. Under Rule Entries, you can click New or edit an existing entry. Here you will set the sort order and enter the filter criteria. For example, you might want to filter leads where the title contains Executive or Chief, or where the state equals CA or NY. Next, under Step 3, you'll select the user or queue to assign the lead to. Change the dropdown from User to Queue, and then search for and select your newly created lead queue. If you wish, you can also select an email template to notify queue members when a lead matches this entry. This is a great way to keep everyone in the loop. Once you've made your selections, click Save. Now let's make sure your leads are directed properly. In Setup, go to Lead Settings. Click Edit and update the default lead owner to a specific user or the default queue. This ensures that any leads that don't meet your assignment rules will still be assigned appropriately. Finally, click Save to complete the setup. And there you have it. You've successfully set up lead assignment rules with queues in Salesforce. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.